What's up, Repair Nation? I'm your host, Caitlin, aka iPhoneRepairGirl, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the side buttons on an iPhone X. I was inspired to do this video recently while I was performing an iPhone X back housing replacement. When I got to the steps of removing the volume and the power buttons, I was instantly reminded of all those times, especially when I was a newer technician, where I had so much frustration over this repair. Luckily, over the years, with lots of practice, I eventually perfected this repair, which is why I would love to show you guys some tips and tricks that help me personally. And now, enough talking, let's just jump right into the repair. Once you already have your iPhone disassembled, all you really need are a good pair of angled tweezers. And what you see me doing here is grabbing this little clip that sits behind the bracket. You kind of have to slide it over on one side to pull it out the other side. The bracket itself is clipped in two parts. And on the right side, what you have to do is take your tweezers and flip that up to then slide it over from the left side. And you'll see me repeating this here where I am sliding it in from the left side and then sliding it down from the right side. It has to be really good in place. There are some grooves on the inside of the button that allow you to sit it perfectly. And then you see me just taking that clip and sliding it on one side to slide it on the other. You'll also see me here make sure that I got it in good and am able to kind of wiggle it. And once you have your bracket screwed in behind it, you should be able to hear a nice firm click sound coming from the button. Now that's it for the video. Be sure to like, comment if you have any questions, subscribe, and feel free to follow me on my other social media handles. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all here next time.